Good morning, this is Celeste, and I'm up early on a beautiful sunny San Francisco morning, which reminds me of my grandmother. She would say, "The early bird gets the worm." What she meant was, if you're up early, if you're prepared and ready for your day, you're going to have a good day. You're going to get these successes. Successful people all over the world are the ones that are the most prepared when opportunities come along. You want to be like a diamond, polished, prepared, and never dull. Be bold and bloom. Be the best that you can be every day in every way and at every age. Thank you.